Hello students, hope so you will be fine and safe. Today's our topic is chapter straight line and topic is slope. First of all, let's familiar with some terms. Inclination represented by theta. What is inclination? That is angle made with the positive x-axis is known as inclination. Here you can see if line is in first quadrant, that is inclination. Angle made with positive x-axis, that is inclination. That one. According to your definition, angle made with positive x-axis is your inclination. After that, how many methods are there to find out slope? There are three possibilities. If inclination is given to you, then slope will be tangent of inclination. If endpoints of straight lines are given to you, that is x1 and y1, x2, y2, then slope will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If general equation of a line is given to you, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then convert it into slope intercept form. And method is coefficient of y will be on your left. Make coefficient of y single. Coefficient with x will act as slope represented by n. Now, there are some applications for the slope. If points are collinear, then in terms of slope, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. If two lines are parallel, then it means slopes will be equal. M1 is equal to M2. Slope of first line is equal to slope of second line. If two lines are perpendicular, then it means product of their slopes is equal to -1. If two lines are intersecting, that means they are going to make an angle. Angle between two lines represent as a theta, that is tangent of angle between two lines is equal to modulus slope of first line minus slope of second line upon 1 plus product of the slopes. This is our topic, that is slope. In the next video, we will continue question based on this topic, that is slope.